Good evening, Los Santos. I am Greg Gramberg, live with Weasel News on Channel 14. We have a potential bomb here at Legion Garage. Johnny, what do we see down there?
I got eyes on a bomb. Doesn't look like they're taking it too serious, though. They don't have the area blocked off.
Is there cops on the scene?
Yeah, it looks like SWAT team or something. Like the beefed up cops.
There you go.
We got regular cops, too.
Let's go, can we go above Legion? That'd be a good angle.
Yeah, let's do that. Greg, the bomb just went off.
Officer down. Legion.
Alright, Dan, we'll go right here.
We are live, Greg.
Farthing Square by Pillbox.
Alright, Los Santos, we have a big update here on the bomb. It did indeed explode. We have one officer down. Seems a SWAT member was
Sirs,
actually
the
disarming
hell's
the
going
bomb
on here?
and it exploded. So
It's technically an active crime scene, guys. You need to get to move on.
alright, man. It's like left the scene, not like ripped somewhere. Not sure if the bomb's like connected to like this chase or what. Well, guys, here's the crater of the explosion here, so that's pretty small, but seemed one officer did fall, so you can potentially get an interview here with the cop.